Okay, so what we've got here is we've got a couple of S's that are not necessarily as great as they could be, but I want to talk about them and I want to work on getting them back to where they need to be. The biggest problem with these are we're just not rounded enough and we're not staying an equal distance away from the exterior edge. So if we take this and we round these a little bit, we're getting there at this point, right? So if we have this one, and let's say, what do we suppose the issue is with this right now?
Too skinny.
It's a little too skinny in the middle. And actually, if we made it just a tiny bit skinnier, I'm going to stay an equal distance away from my exterior edge now because the shape of this is not terrible, okay? And you see how we're starting to get it bumped out a little bit just by moving this stuff? These are the issues that we're having because it's just not the same distance, okay? And when you concentrate on making everything about the same distance is when we start to get these things looking more normal. So S's that you thought were terrible are not really as terrible as you think they are. Do you see that? Okay, now what would we like to do with this?
Like that part's skinny, that part's skinny.
Okay, so that's good too. Now, and then too, when it comes down to it, we had another one. So this one might be where we can deal with it, right? We could totally use this. Matter of fact, that's not a bad S at all. This one we had, and it was the same kind of thing, but we were too skinny in here, right? So if I take this S, and if I, again, get it to an equal distance away from every exterior edge, we're gonna be too skinny, right? But even if that's our issue, what we can still do with this is, once I get this all cut out, I now have, and this is what you want to do with your good letters as well. See how I got that now? But what I can take with that is, okay, now I'm going to tell you, to cut out an S, an egg shape is always the best thing in the world. This can be a template to help me do what I'm doing. You see that? So if I just stay an equal, if I like pay attention to this, and if I use my screw ups in order to do something else, I'm in great shape. Okay? Thank you.